Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Harmo Slim site. But before we get into the review, I get hundreds of requests from you guys to check out products daily, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So link below in the description for you guys to check out, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So we have it here opened up on Scam Detector. So as you can see, they go over what is Harmo Slim. So Harmo Slim is a site that is directly related to health and fitness or wellness products. So as you can see, they're rated very low here on Scam Detector. So they're rated 36 out of 100 for proximity to suspicious websites. So phishing score is 26, malware score is 33, and spam score is 18. So the only positive things that they found here is not detected by any blacklist engine, and a valid HTTPS found. So as you can see, the overall score of their website is 10.7 out of 100, which is very low, which is more than likely a scam. As you can see, the Scam Detector website validator gives Harmo Slim site one of the lowest trust scores on the platform, 10.7. It signals that the business could be defined by the following tags: untrustworthy and risky and danger. So as you can see also here on Scam Advisor, they're rated 45. And the negative highlight is that the Tranco rank is rather low, and this company is offering products which are also offered often by scammers, and the age of this website is very young. So I advise you guys not to check out this website, or not to enter in your card or credit card or savings information into this website, since they could very well be compromised. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.